Welcome to the TinyToons. Let's learn together.
A is for apple. B is for bag. C is for cat. D is for doll. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for house. I is for ice cream. J is for jug. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest.